Hi folks, Phil here with Phil's DIY. I'm going to give you a short video on replacing rusted wheels on a sliding glass door today. So let's get to the video. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but right in here, the wheels on the sliding glass door are so rusted they're frozen solid. So I got new wheels from Home Depot and I'm going to replace these. So I'm going to have to pry this assembly out, clean it up, and then put in the new one. I first have to get this screw out. So to get that screw out, I'm going to use this impact driver. You hit it with a hammer and it turns the screw bit to the left under impact, kind of like an impact, the air-driven impact driver, but this is handheld. It comes in handy also in taking out the screws on car discs. There it is. The screw was frozen with rust. Okay, it's out. Next, I pry the assembly out. There it is. Look at that thing. Well, the lighting is not so good here. Let's see if I can turn this around. Completely rusted. Okay, so I'm using these replacement roller assemblies from Home Depot, and it's a 1 1/8 inch diameter wheel in the steel bracket with the securing screw hole already on the bracket for that screw that I just popped out. Oh, and you do need to buy some of these 1/4 inch by 20 by 1/2 inch panhead screws in order, because whatever was in there, if it's this bad, you have to replace it because it's rusted out. So you need a set of these, one for each wheel assembly. There you go. Screw in here. This is the adjustment screw for the height adjustment on those wheels. Good. Now for the other side. That's it. That's a heavy door. Okay, I've lifted the door into the frame. Now I need to adjust it because we have this gap on top and it's closed in the bottom. It's just a minor adjustment. I will put this flat piece of plastic there so that I can push the upper part of the door up, taking off the pressure off the bottom to allow me to turn the screw easily. Let's see if that does it. Yeah, a little bit more. That looks good. Well, I finished the sliding glass door repair, replaced the wheels on the bottom, and it works great now. If this video was helpful to you and you enjoy what I'm doing, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye.